Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov. You asked me many times to make special video with a detailed review how to work with difficult nail plate and how to prepare nails perfectly to make them stay on more than 1 month. So I think you should watch this video to the end, because as we Russian used to say, the devil is in details. Maybe one detail will make you to transform your work to the perfection, and results of your nail works will be fantastic. I want to remind you guys that now we should work a lot from the beginning to prepare the nail plate and the cuticle area perfectly. So thereafter we will be able to apply the product very close to cuticle area, and only diamond drill bits will help us to achieve such result. You should use, guys, only high quality natural drill bits. And there is no big difference between price of cheap and good drill bits, but you will see the high difference after 1 minute working with high quality drill bit. The most popular one is short flame drill bit. Just search it on shapeofnail.com like fine short flame number 16 or medium short flame number 16. The grit depends on softness of the nail plate you are working on. Sometimes, guys, before primering the nail plate, you forget lifting up particles of the nail plate. Buffering nail plate in cuticles area allows the bond primer penetrates into the depth of the nail plate, and it creates adhesion, the perfect adhesion with the nail plate. But this method will work only in one case. Only in case when you use the correct bond primer. The link on the store when you may order this primer is under the video. One day my nail tech friend said that could be great if we have one product for the base coat and the sculpting coat. And now we have this product. The sculpting mix gel is the hybrid of the base gel and the sculpting gel, which you may use for applying the base coat using simple synthetic gel brush. But don't forget that the layer should be very thick and cure it in LED lamp in 1 minute. And after you may apply the sculpting coat using the same gel. It doesn't burn the nail plate, and consistency of this gel will allow you to work accurately and slowly. I think this is the best product for the beginner. and now I'm working on creating the nail form on this client. I'm working my way slowly nail by nail with 100 grid file. By the way guys, if you order brushes from shapeofnail.com, you always get nail files as a present. They place nail files to protect brushes from breaking. As you can see guys on the video, I'm checking the fingers from one hand, comparing it to the other to make sure that the length of the nail is the same. Once this is done, I'm continuing with applying the base color on the same of the nails. And now I'm gonna tell you about new products from shapeofnail.com. And this is the best idea to combine together two products, gel polish and the gel paint. Now everybody knows that actually these are the same product. Now it has no sense to buy millions of glass bottles with the high price. One day my friend gave me advice to order artistic pet bottles from Chinese store and fill them in with the gel paint from the shapeofnail.com. And this idea was very smart because I saved my money. I have now beautiful and elegant bottles in my nail studio, which are unbreakable and long-lasting. And when the product is over, I always can add some product from the pet bottle, so I don't need to throw away expensive things. My beautiful bottles will always work for me. And of course, this way I have two products. One of them is pet bottle with the gel paint, and another the beautiful bottle with the gel polish. And actually these are the same product. The high pigmented product, which is suitable for the nail design, for thin lines, and which is also suitable for covering the whole nail plate only in one layer. So this is so pigmented. So guys, I want to give you advice to check out shapeofnail.com and look on those beautiful colors, which cost not higher than €5 for one pot of 10 milliliters. 10 milliliters of high pigmented gel paint. And now guys, it's time for revealing shots. Please tell me your thoughts about this nail design. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want to order those products I use in this video, you may look on information under this video. See you in the next one. Bye!